Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do part 2 of my declutter series. I still don't know how many parts this is going to have, but if you guys have missed part 1, I'll have it linked down in the description box down below and also on the I bit on the screen. Anyway, if you guys are new to me, hi, hello, my name is Ken. I basically do beauty, lifestyle and vlogging type videos. If you guys haven't hit subscribe yet, hit the subscribe button because I'd love for you guys to join the family and that you guys don't miss any of my new videos. So without further ado, let's get into part 2. Now we're going to go into the second drawer. As you guys can see, I am in my pajamas. But yeah, the second drawer is supposed to be for cheek products, and for the most part, this is the drawer that I've been quite consistent with. Except for random bits of eyeshadow, lashes, eyeshadow palettes, so you guys can see. You'll see. Okay, so I've got a couple of MAC face products. So these are like face powders. I'm definitely keeping those. I've got one from Cover FX as well. I've got a couple of Kat Von D Locket powder foundations. Yes, I've got a couple of these. I really like the formula of these, so I'm keeping that. See what I mean, guys? So much. I've got a bronzer from Too Faced. This one is actually quite deep enough for me, so I'm keeping that. There is one that I have that's a little bit too light, so I'll get rid of it if I find it in this pile. I've got some Warm Soul blush, blushes from Rimmel, keeping those. Absolutely love that one, by the way. This one from Maybelline, this is the Puma one. Do you say Puma? Puma. This one's a really nice rose gold colour. I don't particularly like it on my cheeks, I have to be completely honest. Don't know if I should keep it or get rid of it, as in give it away to a friend, but I'll put it in the undecided pile, which is just there. These these highlighters are absolutely gorgeous, keeping these. MAC Maybelline. Ooh, this one's a really nice strobing liquid highlighter, keeping that. Ooh, NARS Laguna bronzer, girl, keeping you, definitely. These ones are the L'Oreal La Vie en Glow. These are actually surprisingly really good. I have to say, I was a bit skeptical when I first got these. Really good. Oh, so hard to say because I've got so many highlighters that are like this color. Oh, I'm giving this away to a loved one because this one is really pretty and I don't want to get rid of it. This one is Too Faced. This is one of those gem ones. This is one of those really nice trippy ones. Keeping that. Love that. Here's some eyeshadow palettes that aren't supposed to be in here. This one is from Patrick Starr's collection. Really nice. Keeping those. Very pigmented. This one I got from... It's the Estee Lauder corporate store. It's very hard to get in there, but I got in there because of Kat and Hailey, and I bought this for $5. It's actually quite good. I bought it because of that particular colour, and that shade over there I can use as an eyebrow powder, essentially. Really like this palette, keeping that, but I'm going to put it in the eyeshadow pile. Here's another eyeshadow palette that doesn't belong in here. This one is from Colourpop. This is from one of my first, actually my only order from Colourpop, I have to say. Kathleen Light's palette, Dream Street, really good. I haven't really used it in quite some time. This is reminding me I should use this. Again, going to put that in where it's supposed to go. MAC Hyper Real glow palette. The stuff is really good. I was actually a little bit skeptical with this palette when I first saw it in person. I didn't think it was going to be that good on the skin, but I have to say it's stunning, girl. Stunning. Keeping. Banana powder from BYS. I actually really like this one. Unfortunately, this is quite old and I'm going to get rid of it. If it weren't old, I'd keep it. It's like I have to try and justify why I'm keeping it, but I have to remember trying to get rid of products that I have in here that's like really old. Okay, got some Rodial contour powder. Really like this one. I'm keeping that. I've got a face palette from Mina. Someone keeps messaging me. This is actually quite good. I'm going to keep that because it's quite handy. Really pretty. This is a Mina highlighting palette. Look, I really like this, but I've got so many highlighters, as you guys are probably going to see even more. I'm going to give this away. but it's really good. I feel like the reason why I have to justify giving it away is because in case any of the brands are watching this, I'm not giving away the stuff because I don't like them. I actually do like them. I just have too many of them and I don't want to waste it. There we go. I think now that's off my chest, I feel better. Okay, I've got this Jolly Mix blush from MAC. Absolutely love. Keeping. Copper Tone blush from MAC. Keeping. Love it. Again, an old one, but I'm keeping it anyway. Oh, this is nice. This is Models Prefer Extra Dimensions highlighter. This one, it kind of looks like Hourglass. This is really, really pretty. Again, another champagne-y one. I'm going to give it away, but I love, love, love it. I love the formula. We've got the Balm Luminizer Sisters. Oh, this hasn't been used that much. I absolutely love it. I used to use Merry Luminizer all day, every day of the year. Because it was just the go-to highlighter, if you guys remember that. I'm going to give this away because barely used and it's still really good, I think. Ooh, this is a really nice highlighter. This is the Strobe of Genius palette from NYX. Very, very pretty. I'm going to keep it because it's got these shades up here that I don't have in other palettes. Who is that? Putting my phone on silent, sorry. Okay, I'm keeping that. Ooh, Sleek. Face Form 3. Okay, so this one has contour, highlighter, and blush. I've only ever really used this maybe 3-4 times. I'm giving this away because it's still good and it's probably going to serve someone else much better than me. Here we go. Lashes. They don't belong here. I'm going to pop them back up here. These ones are Naomi Light from Jacob's line again. Keeping that because I love it. Okay, some eyeshadow palettes that don't belong in here. This one is from The Balm. Ooh, is this sealed? It's really cute. I love that design. I'm going to give it away mostly because I don't really use these colours. The only one that really caught my fancy was this one. But yeah, I'm going to give this away. Eyeshadows. I've got this one from Patrick Starr's Christmas collection. Love, love, love. This one, I'm going to keep it. I know it's got very similar shades to what I already have, but it's Patrick Starr. Come on, seriously, you've got to keep that. Smashbox. I actually really like this palette. It's one of those palettes that you have to use your fingers with, but these are incredible lid shades, so I'm keeping that. Some Stila. This is really old, but I feel like it's still okay. So I'm going to keep it. Also because this is a present. This is a present from Kat and Hayley before they started Beauty News. And they are some of my oldest friends here in Melbourne. So I want to keep it because it's a present. We've got some from King Kylie, sorry. This is actually a really nice eyeshadow palette, I have to say. I remember when I first got this, I was a little bit harsh on it because that orange was a little bit ashy on me. It's my only Kylie product, so I'm going to keep it until I wanted to spend more money on Kylie's brand. Let's see, we've got some NARS. What is this? Oh, it's a duo. This is, I think, like a setting powder shade. This is actually quite dark on me, I have to say. That contour is quite intense. I'm going to keep it because it's NARS. I mean, here is one of my first Merry Luminizers. It's cracked and it's really old. I'm going to get rid of it, but I love it. Got this one from Models Prefer. So this is the Ruby Nude eyeshadow palette from Models Prefer. I think I only ever used it once or twice. Looks really good still. I'm going to, looks really good still, so I'm going to give this away to a friend. Ooh, this is cute. This one is from Too Faced. This one is the Sugar Cookie. It's so cute. I really want to keep it, but I have so many palettes that have very similar shades. When I get to my eyeshadow palette collection, guys, you guys will understand what I'm talking about. So as cute as this is, I have to give this away. I need to stop holding on to things just because now these ones I am going to keep regardless, just because they're so cute. These are from the Nico Panda collection from MAC. So cute. Really, really like the look of this. Some of the eyeshadows in this aren't the most pigmented, I have to say, but But I recently watched a thing about how some people do their eyeshadows differently, and maybe it's my technique. So normally I set my eyeshadow first with a translucent powder, then put these on, and these ones looked a little bit patchy, so I had to build it up. I wonder if I did it the other way around, where I didn't actually set my eyeshadow base first. Maybe they'll look nice, but regardless, I'm keeping this. Sorry, off topic. This one I think is a blush. Yeah, this one's really cute. I'm keeping that. Mariah Carey, like the packaging's all scuffed up, but keeping that because it's Mimi. Jeffree Star. This one is So Fucking Gold, or effing gold. Yeah, it's So Fucking Gold actually. This is quite old. It is a nice gold shade, but honestly, I don't even know why I got this. It's too dark for my skin. I don't know. I feel like I should keep it because it's one of my only 2 Jeffree Star products. Okay, I'm gonna keep it just for clickbait stuff. I've got some highlighters from Wet n Wild. This one is still sealed. I'm giving that away. This is sort of like a rosy gold shade. It's quite pretty. Again, very similar to what I have. I'm going to give that away. This is a trio from Rimmel London. I actually really like this, so I'm going to keep it. Ashley, I really actually like it. This is a colour correcting one from Rimmel London. I am not going to use these because these particular shades, unfortunately, are too light for me, really, to use. These are more aimed at people I feel that have a fairer complexion. So I'm going to give this away in case one of my friends wants it. Okay, I'm getting quite hungry, so my words aren't making any sense. This one is a Rimmel London Brow This Way. I don't even know if they make these anymore. If you guys know, let me know. But I actually really like this. I'm going to keep this. I'm going to put it up here in the eye stuff drawer. This is a really old eyeshadow. It's not even a quad, like 5-piece from Rimmel London. I'm going to get rid of this just because it's old, but I really like the quality of their eyeshadows. Ooh, NYX Illuminator. Oh, I remember using this all the time, girl. So pretty. But now that I look at it, it's actually quite chalky. I mean, I can make it work, obviously. I've worn it in the past, but I think I'm going to get rid of it because it's quite old. Yeah, let's see. Oh, MAC Prep and Prime. This is in the wrong drawer, I feel, because I have a whole section for like baking powders on the other side. But I don't know, I might reorganize and might keep it in here. But yeah, I'm keeping that because I like that. Ooh, BYS Color Wheel. This is the black version. I'm keeping that for special effects stuff. Models Prefer Highlighting Palette. Can I even open you, girl? Ooh. Okay, yeah, I'm keeping this because it's got these like unique shades. This kind of reminds me of one of those Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Keeping it. Ooh, this is, girl. If you watch my videos from back in the day, I used to use this all the time. This one's from Revlon. This one is with Chloe Morello. This is a collab with her. I'm going to get rid of this simply because this is quite old. But I really enjoyed using this palette. Yeah, this one is in medium and medium tan. Do they still make this? Let me know, guys. Ooh, this is a beautiful duo from Mecca Max. This is, I believe, a highlighting duo. Ooh, I'm going to have to part with this. Again, too many highlighters that have very similar shades, but love that one. This one is from Australis. Now, when I bought this, I actually thought this was actually pretty good for me. But looking back at footage, this is actually quite pink. This one is in the shade Darkest Brown. Unfortunately, Australis' base products tend to be a little bit too pink toned for me. So I'm going to get rid of this. No offense to the brand. I just feel like they need to improve on their colour scheme. We've got Velvet Concepts. I think this is the blush. Oh no, bronzer. Really like this one as well. Keeping that. Again, one of those Rimmel London holographic ones. This one might be handy for a particular look that I've got in mind coming up soon. So I'm going to move it up here into the eye stuff drawer. I've got a Becca highlighter. This is Moonstone, I believe. Opal, sorry. Opal. I've got this in like a little gift pack from Sephora. Really, really pretty. Really handy as well. Very blinding. This one is a lipstick from DB. I didn't really like this shade, so I'm going to give this away. Sorry. Another Rodial contour powder. This one's a little bit darker. I actually really like this one as well, so I'm keeping that. We've got a Super Shock cheek highlighter from Colourpop. Now, it's really nice and creamy. I really like it, but it doesn't translate well with a brush. It's one of those products I'm conflicted because it feels so nice and smooth and looks so beautiful, but once I apply it with a brush it kind of goes away. So I think it's one of those products you need to use your fingers with. This is like one of those cult following type products. Okay, I'm gonna keep it. Actually no, I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile because I don't know. Okay, we've got this blush from Bourjois. This one is really pretty, but unfortunately it's quite sheer. So I'm going to give that, I'm not going to give that away. I'm going to get rid of it because this is quite old anyway. Oh my gosh, lots of products in here. We've got Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick again. This one is in Sunset Glow. Really, really like this one. Keeping that. And then we also have this highlighty product from MAC. This one is in Soft and Gentle, cult favorite. Can't use too much of this unfortunately on my skin because it does look a little bit silver on me. But as you guys can see, I've got warm undertones, so yeah. I'm going to quickly put stuff in here and finish this up because I'm hungry. We're going to have fish fingers and chips for dinner. Oh my gosh guys, I am so happy that I got rid of a few things that I have been wanting to get rid of, but I was always trying to save it for the video. That's also one of the things why I have so much makeup, because I've been saving it for a video. And here we are, we're finally doing it. And we're doing a series. Don't forget, we're doing a series. I've got other drawers, got so much more product to get rid of. But yeah, I am very pleased with myself. I hope the people that I'm going to give these products away to are going to appreciate them. And yeah, it's just really nice to see a lot of the products I own again, because like I said, as you guys saw the state of my drawers, they were just like piled up on each other, and that's what happens sometimes when I get really busy. I just put things away just to quickly put them away, not to put them away properly. Anyway, I am really hungry. I'm going to start dinner. So like I said, we're going to have fish fingers and chips because we're grown-ass adults. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also that notification bell if you guys would like to see my videos on your feed regularly, because YouTube isn't very good at letting you know when my videos are up, as my view count is showing. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!